Believe it or not, but there was a silent rally not too long ago on our very own Bursa Malaysia, whereby some investors, if they were savvy enough, could have 3x their money within only 1 year. So let me show you a couple of examples. So this stock is Sunrise, and in the beginning of the year, it was trading at 26 cents. But only in 1 year, look at it fly. And right now, this stock is about 1 ringgit and 4 cents. Another stock which managed to appreciate in price
is Iskandar Waterfront City Berhad.
and this time it was 33 cents in the beginning of the year, and right now it's 76 cents. So all in all, it managed to double. So amongst the reasons this stock managed to appreciate quite significantly are three reasons. Number one, recall that we had a change in Agong from the state of Pahang to the state of Johor. And this particular Agong wants the government to focus a little bit more on the Johor state. Secondly, there's been very encouraging progress with regards to the Johor Singapore Special Economic Zone. And the third thing is the development of the RTS, which is the public transport connecting both Johor and Singapore, where they are building an LRT to connect both Johor and Singapore. So as a result of that, right now there is a boom in the property sector focusing within the Johor area. That being said, this is very good information. The next question is, how are we going to find stocks which can appreciate during this year using this particular methodology? So this is how an analyst does their stock picking. Number one, we have to look at the economy. With the Johor Singapore Special Economic Zone, we can see that certain sectors will benefit, and one of them are the property players in Johor. And eventually we can see a trickle-down effect on players like Sunrise and also Iskandar Waterfront. And over here, please remember, I say this time and time again, a stock is basically a share in a company. And when you buy a share within the company, you always want to see whether there's a potential for that company to grow in the near future. So all in all, please look at the trends that may happen. And once we find a particular trend, invest in those companies which will benefit from this trend.